I'm going to show you how you can get a plane on BeamNG Drive. Now to get a plane, first off from the menu here, just have to tap on this button, repository. Now on repository, you can do two things. First off, you can go to categories here. On categories, you want to make sure you pick on air. Don't land, don't pick on air, just pick on air. If there's anything other that's been selected, make sure to unselect it. Now once you pick on air, you can see there's a couple of planes you can pick here, right? So for example, there's Flying Wing, there's P25 Mitchell. If you want to download this, just tap on this to download. Now, if you want to download, you can see it'll just do like this. And then you can see if you subscribe, you get automatic updates as well. If you want new ones, just go back. Now, let's just go back here. Let's find it. Now, for example, I want a Pelwood glider here. Just tap on this plus button here, subscribe to mod. And now the mod will be downloading. And then you can see once it's done downloading, you'll get it on your BeamNG Drive. Now, if you don't want to find it from here, you can also just search up plane here. But for the categories, make sure all of it is selected like this to make sure you get the best kind of results here. So just make sure all of this is selected. And then just select on plane. Because you can search up plane like this and then just tap on search. And then you might find a couple of planes here and there. So for example, paper airplane, you get a T-series, a spike ball, things like this, right? But it's more broad because plane could mean a lot of things. So the best way you can also get it is just categories. So just deselect all of this, make sure only airs is selected, deselect all of this. All of this is deselected like this. And then once all of it is deselected, you can see planes will start appearing. It may take a couple of minutes to load. Let's just give it a couple of minutes to load here. Yeah, there you go. Once it's done, just tap on this, the plus icon to download the planes, and then you're good to go.